Hello everyone. Today, we will go through the process of creating a hyperlink in a LinkedIn post. Unlike other social media platforms, LinkedIn does not allow you to add clickable links directly within the body of a post. However, there are a few ways to include links effectively so that people can access them easily. Start by opening LinkedIn in your web browser or mobile app. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the home page, locate the post creation box at the top of the feed. Click inside the box where it says Start a Post. This will open the post editor. If you want to share a link, the most direct way is to paste it into the post. Simply copy the link from your web browser and paste it into the LinkedIn post editor. LinkedIn will automatically generate a preview of the web page, showing an image, title, and description. If you do not want the preview to appear, click the small X in the corner of the preview box to remove it. The link itself will still remain in the text of your post. Another method is to use LinkedIn articles instead of regular posts. If you want to create a hyperlink within the text, click on Write an article instead of Start a post. This will take you to LinkedIn's article editor. In the article editor, type the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Then, highlight the text and click on the small link icon in the formatting toolbar. A box will appear where you can paste your URL. After pasting the link, click Apply to create a clickable hyperlink. This method only works for LinkedIn articles, not regular posts. If you want to make a link in a regular post stand out, you can format the text around it. For example, you can say something like, "Check out this YouTube channel," and then paste the link right after it. Another way is to use an eye-catching phrase like, "Click this link to learn more," followed by the link. Since LinkedIn does not allow hyperlinks within text, making the link visible and easy to copy is important. You can also add links in the first comment of your post instead of the main post itself. Some users believe this helps with LinkedIn's algorithm, as posts with external links may get lower reach. To do this, write your post without the link, publish it, and then immediately go to the comments section. Paste your link in a comment and mention in your post that the link is available in the first comment. This approach can sometimes help increase engagement. When posting a link, check that it is correct before publishing. Click on the link yourself to make sure it opens the right page. If the link is too long, you can shorten it using a URL shortener like bit.ly. Shortened links look cleaner and take up less space in your post. When your post is ready, click the Post button. If you are using the method of adding the link in the first comment, immediately go to the comments section and paste your link there. You can also pin the comment to the top so that it is easy for others to find. Now your LinkedIn post includes a link that people can easily click or copy. Whether you're sharing an article, a company website, or an event page, these methods will ensure that your link gets the attention it deserves. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.